This trade can give you 200% profits for sure. Hello guys, welcome to The Wolf. So let's get straight to the point. So as you can see, we are in a strong uptrend on the Bitcoin from past few weeks. This is the important upwards trend line that Bitcoin is now respecting. But as we heading upwards, there is a major resistance level that I have drawn with purple rectangle box. This resistance level goes from $30,000 to approximate $33,000 level. Now let me show you that why I'm little bearish on Bitcoin now. So as you can see, we are in an uptrend, forming new higher highs and higher lows. Well, recently, the price created a new higher high, so there are many chances that the price can now go for a retracement and also to create a new higher low. Well, if the price goes down from here, it can easily go to the upward trend line to make it as a support, as I already told you about, and also to the horizontal white line support I have drawn. These two levels coincides with each other, indicating a strong support at around $26,500 level to $26,000 level. Now listen to this, if this upwards heading trend line gets a breakdown, then we can go all the way down to the $20,800 level. Yes, the level where the CME gap has been created. If you don't know what that is, watch till the end, I will show that gap I'm talking about. So now let me show you how I will trade this move. Well, I'm waiting for a bearish confirmation on the daily time frame. If I see any bearish indication, then I will open a short trade on Bitcoin, and as soon as I will do it, I will inform you guys on my Twitter. So make sure to follow me on Twitter, link is in the description. Yes, with proper stop loss and take profits levels also. Okay, now let me show you the most important analysis my eyes are on right now. But before that, if you want to trade like me, then you need a professional crypto exchange like Bybit to trade. Just go below this video's description, and you can create an account on Bybit and start your trading journey. You can literally get up to $30,000 gift for free. You just need to make an account with the link in my description and deposit today. When you create an account with my link, you will get exclusive benefits for yourself. Such as, you can get a free shout out from me on a YouTube video, plus $30,000 deposit gift and many more things. So just create an account now, and get your free welcome gifts. Okay, so now, getting back again to the important analysis I was talking about. So as we can see, the Bitcoin price is following a parabolic support from years and years. If we notice, we can see that it is respecting this parabolic support a lot. Now, if C zoom in and SEE, that the price right now also, few days earlier it respected that support level and went up straight. So there are chances that the price can now come back for a retest again to that support level. But if the Bitcoin price breaks this important parabolic support, then it can go all the way down to the first target at $20,800, the CME gap level, and the second target can be the blue horizontal rectangle I have drawn at approximate 19K to 17K. But now the price is at a very crucial level, whether it will go straight pumping upside or straight dumping downside. Okay, so guys, let me show you the Bitcoin CME chart. So there is a head and shoulder pattern forming on the chart. Well, today is Monday, and the CME market just got opened, and we can see the price did manage to gap down and come again to the head and shoulder pattern. So this is indicating that the price can go down bearish to complete the head and shoulders target. Well guys, right now, I'm not that confident in this pattern, but still I'm keeping my eyes on it. If this pattern seems to be working, then I will share its target with you all, so do subscribe my channel for trading videos and knowledge for free. Here have a look on this Bitcoin CME gap that has been created at $20,800 level that I was talking about earlier. Okay, so now, let's do some Ethereum analysis. So on the 4-hour chart of Ethereum, we can see a double bottom formation, but it's still now breakout, so maybe it's forming a triple bottom pattern, if not that also, then it's just range bounding right now. So if the Ethereum price breaks this ranging channel to the upside, then I will open a long trade on Ethereum at approximate $1,960. And my target would be all the way to the top of the downwards trend line. And also, if we see, there is a ascending broadening wedge formation on Ethereum chart, so according to it, its target is also bullish and upside. But if this range bounding channel breaks to the downside, then the price can again go back down to the main downward trend line for a retest there. And its downward target could be $1,785 level. Now to all those people watching my video till the end, here is a bonus analysis for you guys. Here we can see the Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index. It is showing greed right now. That means many people are greedy on Bitcoin. And guys, let me tell you, when others are greedy, be fearful, and when others are fearful, be greedy. See you all in the next video. Thank you for watching.